Hello everyone, I'm Shweta and I'm a postgraduate. I have done my bachelor's and master's in applied psychology. In this video, I will discuss a psychology topic which is psychology in everyday life. Eighth is psychology in everyday life. Psychology helps us to analyze and understand ourselves and others around us. And that's why psychology offers solution to various types of life problems. For example, to prepare for an exam, there are various learning and memory techniques. Similarly, to deal with any examination stress, there are various coping techniques in psychology. Different types of psychologists help in dealing with different types of psychological problems, and they work in different settings like schools, hospitals, industries, prisons, business organization, military, etc. Thank you. For any queries, you can mail me on this email ID. For more information, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given in the description box below. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Bye bye.